Happy birthday, Gil.
Thank you.
This is for your birthday.
And we have good old Chucky here. So
Did he do that? Damn it.
I don't know. I don't know. So thank you. You know, that was an awesome day. Really was. I just wonder if there's any possibility that that gift that I received was not just a dream, or hey, how you all doing? Hey, it is the Natureman, and look what I have here. That is right. I have this gift that I received from our wonderful friend and sister. That's right. Her name is Olivia, also known as Gatabite. And if you recall, that dream that I just had was not really a dream. It was real. Unbelievable. It was real. And I have the gift right here in front of me. And it says, to Gil from Ivan, Olivia, and Kama. And look who's there. He's such a good guy, isn't he? He really is. So I think it's, without further ado, it's time to open up this gift and see what's inside the box. All the way from Florida. Oh, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. You know what, folks? I think this will help me see much clearer when it comes to my beverages. It is a camera lens cup. Let's check this thing out. Now, if you all know, I am a photographer, hobbyist photographer, but I love to take nature pictures. Check this out. Look at this. This is so cool. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this, folks. Look at this. Look at this. I got my eye on you. Thank you so much. I really appreciate this. This is an awesome gift. And you know what, folks? When I go out, I got to make sure I don't have my actual camera with me, because I might make the mistake of trying to drink out of that lens, and that's not going to work. All right, folks. Thank you so much for joining me for this wonderful birthday box unboxing. I'm just like, I don't know. You know what, folks? I think I need to take a sip of coffee right now. Cheers. Oh, yeah. That's right. Cheers, folks. You all have a great day. I'll catch up with you very soon.